So here we have my Lada Samara before I start MOT welding on it. It's running pretty rough because the carburettor's more or less fucked. Sills aren't as bad as I thought actually. There's a few holes in the lengths of the sills, but nothing too bad. Big lumps out of the ends of each one, of course, but that's to be expected. The rear valance isn't too bad. There's a big hole in the corner of this boot. This is previous welding done by my brother Joe. That corner isn't that bad really, nor is this one. There's no significant holes in this end of this sill. The worst bits I think are the top of the wings. There's nothing to weld onto, it's all just brittle rust. There we go. It looks better without the silver bumpers on it. Probably going to get it welded up, then MOT'd, and then sold onto an auto shiter. So watch this space.